Hello class, in this video I'm going to show you how to save your file as a PDF file within Illustrator. So what I have here is my project. Say I'm done. I'm finished. I now want to export this as a vector format file. I'm going to use the PDF file format. But what I want to do, I'm going to select a couple of settings so that I just save the finished results. Now before I begin, one thing that I want to make note that when you save, you want to make sure that you have all the layers that you want visible to be visible. Anything that you want hidden, you want to make sure that it's hidden. So if there's something that is here, uh, like all my layers that I want are here, there I could see them. So and also I'm only going to save the contents within my artboard. So make sure that you've already resized your artwork to fit within your artboard. So I'm going to go ahead and go into File, and I'm going to go ahead and select, I'm going to tell it to save a copy. This because I want to keep my file open. I'm going to go to File, Save a Copy. And within this window, now I am working on a Mac, so I want to make sure that you have the correct file, that you know what I'm doing. Though it'll be similar on a Windows machine. I'm going to go and select a location to save this file. So I'm going to create a folder for week 15. Create. So this is a folder that I have selected. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and name my file as well. I'm going to use my last name, first name, uh, Figueroa, Aldo. I can't type. This is my project 4. And for the format, I want to change this to PDF. And by using PDF, I want to make sure that this is going to save it out as a PDF file, which happens to be a vector file format. In the next window, we're going to select different options. Now, before I do this, I want to mention that within this Mac window, you might want to click on this little box right here to expand, so you could select a location. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and tell it to save, and then we get this window that opens up. What I want to do is I don't want to go ahead and just save it because I want to change some settings. Oftentimes what I do, I'll just go to this smallest file size, and it's still a PDF format, but really what it's doing, it's getting rid of a couple of settings right here. So we do not want to preserve Illustrator editing capabilities. By leaving this turned on, it's basically saving all of your layers, all the information, everything beyond the artboard, which I don't want to do. I want to optimize it for fast viewing. That's great. And really, that should be it. I'm going to go ahead and tell it to save PDF. You're going to get this window right here. That, let's see, the document source blend space doesn't match the destination. Okay, this might be an issue. I do have a transparency. Let's see, and it wants me to change this, but we're going to see what it does. So this is one window. I'm going to go and tell it OK. We could always come back and change this one, but this is the other window that you might get. Saving this document with preserve Illustrator editing capabilities unchecked may disable editing features, which is totally fine. Do we want to continue? Yes, because we're saving out a copy. Wait, I still have my AI file, which is right here. Now let me go ahead and open up my window so you could see my file. And so here in week 15, here's my file. I'm going to go ahead and double click on it to open it up. And this is on a Mac, it's going to open it up within preview. I have two monitors, so I'm moving it over here to the side. And here we go. Here is my project. And you can see that this is now, it's only saved out my artboard. So only the contents within that rectangle that we created earlier has been saved. And this actually turned out great. So this is how you're able to save out a PDF file so that you can just have the finished results. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how to use your same Illustrator file to export a PNG file format. If you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.